Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to find wallet address for Kaikas wallet. Finding wallet address in Kaikas is a simple process. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to find them from our mobile application. So let's get started. Launch Open Kaikas application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Go ahead and enter your PIN code correct. And once you are signed in to the main home screen, tap on your name at the top left corner. You will then be able to see My Wallets page. Right underneath your name, you will be able to see your wallet address. You can tap on the copy button right next to the wallet address and use it for sharing. Also, let someone scan the QR code if you want to receive funds on your wallet. Remember that you should not share your private keys or seed phrases with just anyone, since these are the keys to your wallet and should be kept confidential. If you have multiple accounts within your wallet, then each account will have its own unique address. So that was how you can easily find your wallet address in Kaikas. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.